Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get these effortless Victoria's Secret beach waves, if that's what you want to call them. It literally takes 10 minutes and you don't even have to do anything. You'll see in the video how easy it is, but like you can just do your makeup while your hair is like waving, and then you just take it out and that'll be it. It's so easy to do. It looks so much better if you were to just leave your hair as like bleh, boring, you know? If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And if you want to see how I get these super easy, kind of wavy, I don't even know what I would call it, wavy, sure. Want to see how I get these beachy Victoria's Secret effortless waves, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is brush out my hair so that there's no knots in it and that it's smooth and whatever. Next thing I'm going to do is to split my hair into two pieces, and I'm going to blow dry each side on like one by one so that like it doesn't lose its warmth, if that makes sense. So I'm going to blow dry this side first. And then I'm going to kind of put it in like a space bun. So I'm going to go like this and then twist it around and put it into a bun. Like twist it into a bun. Do you know what I mean? Can you see what I'm doing? And then just secure that with a clip or a hair tie, whatever. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And you're going to look a little bit crazy. But right now it's typically when I would go do my makeup, but I already have my makeup done. So I'm just going to go play Candy Crush for like 10 minutes and then I'll take out my hair and show you guys what the waves look like. But I would only leave it in for like 10-15 minutes max because you don't want it to be too crazy. And if your hair is like thicker, you can put it into like 4 buns, like 2 different sections, and like buns here and buns here or something. I don't know, but my hair is like normal, so I'm just going to leave it in 2 and I will come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes and I'm going to take out the space buns. Cute. I'm just gonna like fluff up my hair and it just like, see? It just adds like a little bit of volume and like curl. It's cute and it's super quick to do, and you can put like hairspray in it or something, but I'm not gonna do that. But I'm going to use some dry shampoo. This is what they will come out looking like. I think it looks super pretty and like effortless curls, waves, whatever you want to call it. This is a super simple like everyday hairstyle because you can just put them up in buns while you're doing your makeup and then just take them down and your hair is done. And it's so easy and it looks like you put more effort into it than you did. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!